If I walked into a room with 100 people, just by looking at their skin, I could tell you who needs to get their blood sugars evaluated. Sounds surprising, right? No machines, no blood test, not even a single report, just by looking at their skin. Yes, as a dermatologist, I could observe early signs of diabetes, and in today's video, I'll tell you how. I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja, your aesthetic dermatologist with over 16 years of experience in dermatology and aesthetics. My heartfelt goal is to support and guide you on your journey to healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Because I truly believe everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. As a dermatologist, it happens more often than you think because your skin, it doesn't know how to lie. Sometimes it starts dropping clues months before your blood reports actually scream diabetes. Let's talk about 5 signs of diabetes that you should never ignore and what should you do if you notice them. So before we jump into the skin, let's understand diabetes in the simplest possible way. Every time you eat, your body converts food into glucose, which is the fuel your body uses for energy. Now imagine every cell in your body is like a locked house, and insulin, that's the key. It opens the door and allows glucose to enter. In diabetes, either there aren't enough keys or the locks have become rusty and do not respond properly. So the sugar keeps circulating in your bloodstream instead of reaching your cells, and over a period of time, that extra sugar starts affecting your nerves, your blood vessels, your immune system, and yes, most definitely your skin. Now let's start with the most common complaint, that is constant itching. No allergy, no obvious rash, just constant itching. मतलब कोई soap change नहीं किया है, कोई नया product introduce नहीं किया है, but itching control ही नहीं हो रही है. High blood sugars draw water out of your cells. So it dehydrates your skin, weakens your barrier, and eventually what happens is the skin starts to feel very dry. तो itching constantly होती है, हम anti-itch medications खाते हैं, anti-allergic medications खाते हैं, नए soaps लेके आते हैं, तेल लगाते हैं, not realizing it is actually not the skin superficially that is the trouble, it is basically your blood sugars that need to be controlled. अब बात हुई problem की, तो solution क्या है? Solution ये है कि सबसे पहले make sure that you start using a ceramide rich moisturizer which is fragrance free right after your shower. और shower कैसा होना चाहिए? अवॉइड हॉट शावर्स, गर्म पानी से नहीं नहाना है, हल्के गुनगुने या ठंडे पानी से नहाना है, और अगर गुनगुने पानी से नहा भी रहे हो तो फाइनल रिंस ठंडे पानी से ही लेना है. बट हेयर्स द इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट, अगर सब स्किन केयर करने के बाद भी अगर हमारा इच कॉन्स्टेंटली वापस आ रहा है, इचिंग हो ही रहा है, make sure that you go reach a dermatologist. And sometimes the cream that you need to cure this itch is not a cream at all, it's just better controlled blood sugars. Now this is another one that I see almost every week in my clinic. Patients keep telling me, doctor मेरे पाँव फट जाते हैं, my feet keep cracking and they just wouldn't heal. My skin constantly feels dry and this annoying eczema patch, it just refuses to go, it keeps coming back. Now here's the part most people don't realize. Think of a cracked heel like a crack in the wall of your house. एक बार क्रैक आ गया तो anything can get inside, and the same thing can happen with bacteria. Now what should we do? Moisturize your feet twice in a day, especially before you're going to bed. Use creams that contain urea and ceramide. थोड़ी सी thick होंगी, but पहन के अगर socks पहन के सो सको तो even better. Wear well-fitted footwear and make sure that if you're a diabetic, avoid walking barefoot in the house. And if those cracks become painful, swollen, or they start oozing, कोई भी foul smelling discharge आने लगता है, पानी आने लगता है, blood आने लगता है, please do not ignore it. Get yourself examined. Now this one is probably the biggest warning sign. आप शेव कर रहे हो, आपको छोटा सा निक लग जाता है, जूता पहना है, शू बाइट हो जाती है, पाँव में ब्लिस्टर हो जाता है, कोई भी चोट लग जाती है, a simple small wound that would usually heal on its own, your body is not able to heal that wound. एक normal wound जो हफ्ते भर में ठीक हो जाना चाहिए था, वो ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो इन्फेक्ट हो रहा है, उसमें से पेनफुल डिस्चार्ज हो रहा है, उसमें पेन हो रही है, स्वेलिंग हो रही है, किसी भी किस्म का फ्लूइड निकल रहा है, in that case that should raise an alarm. Diabetes affects circulation, immunity and overall slows down your healing. So इस केस में हमें करना क्या है? If you're a diabetic or even suspect that you could have diabetes, please make sure that you don't ignore this and you get this evaluated at the earliest. पर घर पे क्या करना है? एक एंटीसेप्टिक क्रीम लगा सकते हो, आप एक टी बैग, एक एस्क्लेयर जेल नाम की क्रीम उसके ऊपर लगा सकते हो, बट अगर उसके अंदर किसी भी किस्म का डिस्चार्ज हो रहा है, पेन हो रहा है, लैक ऑफ सेंसेशन आ रही है, it is not the time to sit home, you need to get evaluated. The earlier we treat a diabetic foot wound, the easier it is to prevent serious complications. A wound that does not heal isn't just a skin problem, that's your body screaming for help. If you keep getting frequent boils, especially on your scalp and in your bed area, and if you think your infections just keep coming back, be it your itch in the groin area, under the breast area, body fold, and you see these circular lesions all over your body, and if at all you think any infection that you get once, it just keeps coming back, it refuses to leave your body, you don't just have to keep changing tubes of creams, it's time that you go see a doctor. Treating the infection is only half the job. The question is, why is it coming back? And you know what happens is this bacteria and fungi, they thrive on high blood sugars. So if at all these keep coming back and you have applied different creams and you're not getting a solution, it's time to get evaluated. So what do we do in this case? We most definitely need to treat the infection, but we also need to do a couple of blood tests like your random blood sugar, your fasting blood sugar, and if you know that you've had blood sugar issues. And there's another test, that's HbA1c, which is your glycosylated hemoglobin. Make sure that you get that tested, because until we fix what's happening on the inside, these infections are only going to keep coming back. Now, have you noticed dark velvety skin around the back of your neck, on the knuckles, in the groin, in a thigh area, under the breast, or anywhere else on your body? हमें लगता है dirt है, we keep scrubbing it, we apply DIYs, we do a lot of fairness creams on that. What if I told you it was actually your body telling you that it's becoming resistant to insulin? Especially in the younger people, this could be your earliest warning sign. So what should you do? Please don't try scrubbing it, because you cannot wash away insulin resistance. Instead, get evaluated early, especially if diabetes runs in your families, you're noticing you've put on weight around your waist, you are noticing other signs of hormonal imbalance, signs of PCOS, any other risk factors. Sometimes catching insulin resistance early can actually prevent diabetes. So if you've noticed any of these or all of these, that is, all that you need to do is seek help. Don't panic, your skin is trying to download some information to you, and all that you've got to do is listen and work on it. The sooner that we work on it, the easier it is to treat, and the solutions are way simpler than you think. As dermatologists, we don't just look at your skin, we read it. Every patch of pigmentation, every wound that refuses to heal, and every new lesion that you see on your skin is actually your body trying to tell you to look in for something deeper. If this video helped you, share it with someone who has diabetes or somebody who refuses to get treatment calling it just dry skin. You never know, that one share might save someone by getting them diagnosed and saving them much before complications begin. I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja, and if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like, share and subscribe. We'll keep coming back with more such content.